Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Shanique.
And I'm Keisha. And we're going to be doing a transformation video. So basically, I'm going to transform one of the girls, either Caitlin or Kelsey, into how I wear what I wear.
I call Dubs and Caitlin. So like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys can get notified whenever we post a brand new video.
Yeah, because we're trying to like build this community. And since you guys
also comment down below.
Yeah, what do you want to see? But yesterday on TikTok, they actually said we must do such a video like this. So
transformation vibe.
Yeah, so I'm actually excited because I've been wanting to put them onto my style,
like streetwear.
Yeah,
so Pinterest,
yeah.
Pinterest
So you're
vibes.
gonna rate at the end of the video who looks the best, and also we're gonna maybe walk around in Piala and then interview people to ask them to rate the fits, and let's see who wins.
Yeah,
you got this. We got this. Haha.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Okay, hello. Die is
Kelsey.
Caitlin. Okay, so die wie wil julle getransform word? Ek of Shanique?
Ik wil
kiezen.
Okay, ik maak deze niet.
Okay. We're rather gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Nee? To make it fair. Me and you, rock, paper, scissors. No, I don't believe in that. I want us to do it fair. So we're gonna choose Kelsey first and we play rock, paper, scissors. Okay? 3 on what? Rock, paper,
No, just do it one time then.
Okay, one time.
If you win, you get whatever you want. And
no, we get Kelsey. Kelsey's the first option because she's older. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Nee, wacht. Ahoy. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get Kelsey. Okay, you get what you want. Okay, guys, I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing Kelsey, and Shanique is going to be doing
the favorite, you know.
Anyways, let's go.
Okay, guys, so we'll be doing the hair and the face.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna do it together so you guys can see me. This is what I like it before. Guys, look like your goggles.
Ponytail.
Yo, we're gonna need a lot of work, Shanique. Okay, so we can start. Okay. I'm gonna start off with edges first because that's what I start with. I don't know what you start with. Ik ga vallen een paar vragen tussenin. Kelsey?
Ja, maar.
Okay, so wat type look zoek jy?
I don't know what look you're going for, like streetwear, sexy way.
I don't think they can actually choose it.
Okay.
Ik wil niet kiezen. Ja,
I must just see afterwards. Ik ga voor ons random vragen. Dan moet jij hè?
Oh ja.
Kijk, Caitlin, laat zien jou. Can you even do it? You do your own, but can you do us?
Nah, I don't think so. Oh, wait, let me actually try, you know?
I'm saying of all wat samen my gemaak het by die beach.
What happened now? She wasn't nice. Actually,
You were there. We were in the room. And then we just went, bah.
Nee, en wil jy my storie vertel vir die mense? What did you do to me?
Oh, with us yes game.
Ja.
Toe het sy net in my gesig in 'n mos. En toe voel ek my genoeg is genoeg. Sy gaan mos aan mekaar prinses daai en nou sien ek my net daar. Slaan sy sê nooit nie. Toe het ek op en gaan dit teen die venster. Jy gaan slaap sy follow.
Moenie vir die mense.
No, but you actually did best. You actually did best.
I don't know. I really can't remember the argument we had, but we just had an argument. It was at the beach. It was nice, and so I smacked her.
You know what? I still remember when you came in the room, guys.
Nah.
You just smacked me.
I smacked all of them because they were walking on my nerves. They didn't want to
Oh
go.
my
But then she took my hand and she pushed it against the window, bro. I actually get black on.
Oh, shit, die waren goed hier.
Nah, it was mal.
Ja, sy kan lekker nog eens hier agter.
Wie? Sorry. Nikki has the edges is giving.
Unfortunately, I cannot do aces on Caitlin's hair.
I have a makeup bag, guys.
Is jij nog een beetje bezig liggen?
Ik weet niet of ik niet
En weet
weet.
jy hoekom het sy nie vir my gekies nie?
No, but no, why is she white, bro?
Alright, guys, I'm moving on to makeup. Kelsey, weet jy wat Kelsey so sit dit?
So wat kyk jy sê? He's like wetness.
Yes, foam.
Yeah, because like why is it turning white?
It's not gonna, it's all.
Bro, let's just say something. You have to wash your hair.
We must actually make a before and after.
But you know what, guys? Don't worry. After we get our reports,
And then?
transformation. Let's hope for the best.
When you see it, he's still in school by the way. So Nick is grade 10
No.
and Caitlin is grade 11. And we want to have a matric party next year. So I hope that you take me some wiskunde uitgegeven. Ik kijk op je kop met het trypophobia.
Did it give? I'm asking you a question. Did it give?
Het is niks gewoon.
She doesn't answer.
She's scared.
No, but I feel like we all scared.
Okay
Oh,
guys,
wow.
I have questions. Nee?
Okay.
When was your last talking stage breakup?
Ja.
I'm not talking about the breakup as in boyfriend, girlfriend.
stage.
Talking stage breakup.
Oh shit.
Mine was recently.
You all know it.
Mine, every time happens. I probably had like 5 to 0. Niks balance die kan by my nie. En by julle?
Not like the accounting, you know. I think balance.
Ja. En sy Kelsey?
I'm still in a talking stage.
Sy kan nie so sag praat nie.
Yeah, because you don't have a mic and so you need to scream, bro.
Hey, I'm still in a talking
Guys,
stage.
what
What?
is bad?
She is in one, guys. She's in a talking stage. So I'm proud of her for still being in one. Because usually she would be in one, the next day she would not be in one.
I'm not in
Oh
one.
no.
That's what
Huh?
best.
I'm not in one.
You're not in one.
I've been seeing
You know what I
status
do?
has been very,
Sad.
yeah, like you choose yourself, you know,
It's right.
not forcing things anymore.
Klokkie.
So they quote.
Klokkie. Maak jy op 'n tyd? Nee. Yeah.
I choose not to answer.
You're choosing not to answer.
Yes.
Because you know your mom's watching. But guys, we just asked them to sit closer. You don't need to see us, you see, but you need to see them. So yeah, we're continuing. Katie's hair is done. I'm doing Kelsey's lips. Sanika's lips.
What is this? Eyes,
Lip
lips.
liner.
Why did you lick your lips? Wipe it off. Must be dry.
Okay, next question. If you would take your ex back, would you do it?
No.
Hell no.
Mine is also a no.
Wait, no, it's not right. I didn't
Weet jy
mind.
wat is die maalste ding wat sy ooit vir jou vir 'n balk gedoen of 'n man gedoen het? 5.
Ze zegt waar.
Oh.
Die maalste ding wat ek gedoen het,
Niks moet jy sê.
was om sy mes op te sê en toe lees en my boodskap.
En toe wat gebeur?
Niks so.
Ek sê nie geskeel nie.
Sy het vir hom uitgeskeel.
That is crazy.
Oh, I think I know what that is. We all know what that is.
En sy Kelsey.
Ik weet niet. Ik denk ik dan. Nu wat ik van weet niet.
Yo, julle is boring, julle lewe, julle love lives.
Nou, ik doe niet maar goed.
Verlieg, ja.
Niet meer.
Dat
Nee.
pap
Ik kan niet
bestaan.
nou niet. Ik kies allemaal voor mij te weten.
Niemand weet maar sy het op enige serie dit pappe
Ja,
gestap
als
hulle weet nie
mensen
hoekom
wat
nie.
weet.
En nou?
Jouw viewers.
Nee, my viewers weet nie.
Community mensen.
Okay, my maalste ding wat ek al gedoen was, ek het in Galop toe gegaan vir iemand. Met my nodig. Jou lessons moet nie lag nie. Ek en
That
Galop.
was in lockdown, wasn't it?
Yes.
Ja.
Story time. So I met this guy. Shit. I met this guy.
It was in the car.
But listen, let me tell the story. I was low-key catfished. And my cousin was also catfished because she was also talking to the cousin. But in the same time, there was a girl, a lesbian girl, that was basically scamming us. And then she was typing on 2 phones to me and to my cousin. And then we were gonna meet this guy because he was from Mitchell's Plain. And then we went to Canalok and we went to Eastern Food Bazaar.
Maybe we couldn't go with because you guys lived at home.
Was it that day? Yeah, so we went there and we were waiting the whole time for this guy.
But guys, but they were very attractive. They were very attractive.
The pictures that they that were sent was attractive. Let me say it like that.
And then yeah, I found out. But then this guy was live on Instagram, but he was talking to me on the phone. And I'm like, bro, how are you talking to me but you on the live? And then I found out that this was a girl from Swellendam. A lesbian girl. And I forced her to video call me so we could see who it was. I think that was the craziest thing I've ever done, and that's why first when I chat to someone, they must video call me.
She doesn't have a lot of varieties, you know, so I'm really sorry if this looks...
Variety means a lot. Varieties of what makeup.
Yes.
That was fine. I did buy makeup. Guys, I'm using gel, hair gel, to pluck this girl's eyebrows up so I can make her look like she has eyebrows.
At least my client has 10 eyebrows. It's quite bad. Smile! You look cute.
Oh,
thank you.
Okay, so this is going to be the bottoms. This is a shorts. She does not wear shorts. Hoekom weet ek nie. Oh yeah, no. Okay, and then we have this pink oversized shirt that I got on Shein. So she's gonna be like drip like Tupac type vibe, you know. Cause like look at her. This is like calm, but it's like not street way. So we're gonna change it. And then I have this. I think I got it in Atlanta Sports. You know, I got it at Table View, but I don't know. But this is gonna fit nice with the pink and red that I got there. So yeah. I don't know the shoes. We're gonna see what shoes she's gonna wear. Our sizes are different, so it can only. So yeah, so I think your choice would be okay. Yeah. Are you ready? How ready are you between 1 and 10?
10. Let's see.
Okay. Are you happy about the choice that I got there?
Ons kyk hoe gaan dit lyk.
Okay, so while Kelsey is gonna be getting dressed, we're going to do Caitlin and Shanique now. So see you in the next part. See you.
Okay guys, so we have here Caitlin. Okay, so obviously we're gonna dress her like me, you know, skirt. So we got the skirt at Mr. Price, as you guys can see, Orty. Okay, then we're also gonna pair it with the, you know, orange top, but well with the color. You know, also got this at Shein. So yeah.
Let's go.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited for the
Like how excited are you? Like out of 10?
10 at 10. We make it 100 at 10.
Okay guys, so Kelsey's busy getting dressed right now, and then this little girl's gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna do like a full review for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned.
Okay guys, this is Kelsey's finished look. Does she not look like me? Hoe voel sy?
Ek voel soos sy.
Like it soos sy? Whole transformation. Can you do a 360 please?
Let's go.
Sal ek rede soos ek?
Ek voel like soos sy.
Literally. Write your foot before we go to the people.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Guys, in the comments below, tell us what you think. Rate it out of 10. And now we're gonna have Caitlin's reveal.
Let's
So
go.
we have
Caitlin.
And this is Caitlin's OOTD for the day. So yeah, like how do you think you feel about this outfit?
I feel good. I feel like you though.
Clock that. Are you set?
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Johan.
Skyla bro.
En van waar is sy?
Ek is van PL en my het groot raak in memory.
Oh, so sy is 'n American. Okay, so sy is basically hier vandag. Ek gaan jou 'n foto wys nie van hoe hulle gelyk het voor die en dan moet sy hulle fits uit die uit, nee. Okay, so die is hoe Kelsey gelyk het. Ek was is jou juffrou of iets.
Ja.
Okay. So nou sy weet sy moet nou 'n goeie ding gee, nee. So dis hoe sy gelyk het en dis hoe sy nou lyk. So kyk gou vir haar, Kelsey. Wys gou staan reg.
Wag, hoeveel is dit?
Uit 10 uit.
Ek sal dit 10 uit 10 gee.
Nee, as dit die tipe wat sy altyd dra, nie sy sal altyd pas in 'n normal clothes, maar die is so sy nou, like so sy sê 'n 10. Okay, stunning. Wat is jou handles? Waar kan mense jou kry op socials?
Op Facebook is Skya bro.
Net Facebook. Doen sy nie TikTok of so nie?
Ek is maar ek doen dit nie.
Okay, so guys on Facebook, you guys can go follow her. Dankie baie.
Okay.
Okay guys, we Johan.
Planisa Martin
Where you from?
from Pella.
Okay, so you must write Caitlin's outfit now, but I'm gonna show you before picture and then you must give a thing here, no? So this is how Caitlin looked before. So now you must write her foot.
10 out of 10.
Are you sure? No lying. Okay, that's good. And also, like, can they give you a handle for the people there where they can find you on socials?
On TikTok, Lanisha Marathon. And on Facebook, Lanisha Misha.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, so we are what?
Lalito.
Lito.
Lalito Pranzo.
Where you from?
From Piala.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you like a before picture of Caitlin, no? And then you have to like write the full foot here. So this is how she looked before, and this is how she look now. Like, what do you write it out of?
A 10 out of 10.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Where can people find you?
In
Like your socials, man. Like your socials.
no socials, guys.
Okay, thank you. Hello, guys. I'm Yoan.
With Stacy.
Stacy.
So how do you mean Stacy who?
Must give you surname.
My surname also.
Yes.
Now that's confidential.
Okay, where do you stay?
In Piala.
Okay. So we have Caitlin, no, Kiasi and Caitlin, you know. So I'm gonna show you a before picture of them, and then you must write it put here. Okay, so this is how they look before, and this is how they look after. So now you must write out of 10.
Not much difference, but okay. Only the top state changed. But what is the question?
You must write it put like out of 10, like say like example,
Right.
like 5 out of 10.
Kiasi's foot look like Keisha's foot. Because Kiasi looks exactly like Keisha. You must just look in. The only way you're going to know it's not Keisha is when you look in his face. In Kiasi's face. And Katie's foot. Katie's foot isn't much different. Because I'm going to give the right now. It's only Katie's top that changed from the before photo. Kiel's foot I'm going to give for myself, in my opinion,
Okay.
what my style is.
Okay.
Kia, I would never wear that outfit. Kiel's foot is maybe 5 out of 10. And Katie's foot is more like my foot. I will wear anytime that.
Clock that.
It's like a 8 out of 10.
So who won the challenge, me or Keisha?
In what challenge? In what?
Like
in the
this?
foots.
Yes.
That is Mosquito's foot and that is your
Yes.
foot. I will go with your foot.
1.
Okay.
Can you please give me like your Facebook or for the people?
Now they don't need to find me. Because I don't want to be found. It's festive season. No one wants to find me. I want to be gone.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
And where the shoes concerned, I don't like the shoes. Because first of all, the laces are too thick. And now the shoes just look very wintry. For in the summery.